Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this origami ghost. This is a model I created myself. It's not that hard to make. You just need a square piece of paper, any size or type you prefer. I even tried with notebook paper, and even with simple paper like that, the result was great. In this video, I'm using a square that's 15 by 15 centimeters, about 6 by 6 inches. The first step is to fold it in half diagonally. Once that's done, we can unfold it and rotate the paper into this position. Now we are going to fold these two bottom sides to the middle. After that, fold down this triangle at the top and unfold everything. For the next step, we are going to fold this diagonal. And to make it easier, you can just bring the top corner down to the end of this horizontal crease here. Unfold. Now repeat the same thing with the other side. Now that we have all these new lines, we're going to fold the two side corners. It's really simple. Just bring the bottom side up, press the right side, starting at the existing crease. Then do the same on the left side. You could also fold the whole paper, but this way it looks better in the end. Now that we have all these creases, we can finally create the base. Let's start by closing the right corner using these three lines. This creates a new little flap. Fold it down and reinforce. Here's the result. To do the other side, first open this center part to the right. Now close the left side as well, following the same logic. And fold down this new flap. Next, fold this corner on the left. and unfold it. Now pay close attention. On the left we have this corner we just folded. Let's open the paper in this part. Reinforce the 3 creases we just made by bringing them up. Then push the center of the paper, folding along these lines here. Just press it into its new position. Now let's do the exact same thing on the other side. To do that, bring the center layer to the left. Fold the corner like before. Then open this part up. Reinforce those 3 lines. And push the center, reversing this part. And we are done with this step. Next, open and squash this flap at the top. Bring the paper down like this. Now in the same layer, fold the 2 bottom sides to the middle. Unfold both of them. Lift the first layer, opening the paper from below. And using the creases we just made, bring both sides to the middle. This creates a new flap. Bring the same flap down and reinforce the creases. Once again, pay close attention to the next step. We are going to fold this top section to the back, folding the paper like this. Now return to the previous position. Bring these 2 flaps up. And at the bottom, fold the side corners connecting these points. left side done. Let's do the same on the right. Then bring down the center flaps again. And with that, our origami ghost is ready. We can curve this part that would be the shoulders. You could fold it to create the neck, but I think looks better if you just curve the paper again. In my opinion, the shape looks better like this. We can also curve the arms a little. I like to curve the left one forward and the right one backward. Let's curve what I think is called the tail at the bottom. And adjust the head a little. With that, the ghost looks much better. If you made it this far, congratulations! Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.